Hello, hello. It's Saturday, so we are going out. Going to school is very fun, but you know what's better? It's knowing how to balance school and pleasure. Today we are going to 2025 Taiwan Lantern Festival. We are heading to the bus stop. Afterward, we will go to the MRT station. As an international student, I'm not afraid to go out because I know I can count on Google Map. So now we are following Google Map. We are inside the MRT. We can already see some light. Yeah, we are going there. We first want to go to A18. Afterwards, we change our mind, so we went to A19.
So far, no number gate.
A19 was so far better because A18. Now we are here, so uh, welcome to 2025 Lantern Taiwan Festival. Don't tell me you're Asian if you go somewhere and not looking for food, okay? So, yeah, we wait for the food because food is life, baby. Thanks God, I'm not a picky eater, but unfortunately, my friends are. So, yeah, they couldn't choose. And particularly, those are Asian food, and you know that not everyone can eat those. Food is definitely my love language, but unfortunately, I can't eat a lot. But I love food. Only God knows how much I love food. I don't really remember what I was eating, but I was eating. We were so tired. We visited almost all the places. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, please. Bref, let's keep enjoying the view.
Ay, lo mâché trop. Yo pas mal? Vous tombez?
Non, pas ça pour en fait. Oh, ça pour ça.
Filter. Filter,
Ça fait petit blanc.
vous savez tout là? Vous fini? Okay.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you for my next adventure. I think that I will go to X Park, one of the most futuristic park in Taiwan. See you. Bye bye.